Hey guys, back at again with your girl Slimy. Today I'll be showing you guys my slimes that I just made. So here they are. Here's a green one and the orange one, and I made it with my bouncy putty. And the ones I showed you on my slime collection, these are my jelly slimes, but I mixed it with bouncy putty. So sorry for not showing you those, but yeah. And I'm going to be mixing this jelly slime with this bouncy putty. This one's a blue one, and my sister gave me this blue bouncy putty because she had a blue one. So yeah, let's just play with this orange one real quick to show you. Really soft and sandy. I like the texture, and really shiny. And now the green one. Same texture. Really soft and sandy, like the texture, and shiny. So yeah, let's just get right on to the mixing part. And let's put this right here. And take this jelly slime, really jelly and sticky, and let's just like put this on top. Here it is, really sticky. So it's really sticky, but it won't be sticky after this is all mixed in. As you can see, it has bumpy texture in it and all that. Sorry for that, my light just fell. Still sticky. So here it is, halfway done mixed. Just need to mix a little bit more. And I'll be right back when I'm done mixing. And here it is, I'm done mixing. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Really nice. And loud poking. And each of my three that I mixed with bouncy putty are really loud poking like this. So yeah. So those were my three slimes, jelly slimes. And I made them with jelly slime, and I just mixed in bouncy putty. So I mixed in blue putty, green putty, and orange putty. So yeah, that's how they turned out. Really nice and shiny, and the texture is sandy, and I like it. And yeah, loud poking, I like that. And yeah, they were really good. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which one do you think was your favorite. So bye, thank you guys for watching.